Hi guys, it's Miss Meyer from the Green Free Library, here to share another story time with you. Welcome to a new month, and also I want to welcome everyone who's watching and sing hi to our friends. Are you ready? The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be, 'cause your friends are, excuse me, are my friends. My friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Hi to Anna and Peter and Andrew and Kate, Quinn and Suri and Stanley and Henry and Lydia and Parker and Ava and Veda and Ella and Charlie and me. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. And if I have any new friends out there, stop in the library and tell me your name, and we'll sing hi to you too. I see the channel has a new subscriber, so welcome, whoever you are. So great job. Let's sit down, guys, and show me your hands. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap. All right. It's December now, and this month has a holiday at the end of it, and I bet everyone knows what it's called. It starts with the letter C. Shout it out, everyone together. Christmas! That's right. So since we're in a new month, I thought we'd talk about something new that we haven't talked about before, along with Christmas, of course. We're going to talk about the alphabet, the letters of the alphabet, all right? We've talked about shapes and colors and numbers, but we haven't talked about letters yet. So on our board, I have the letters of the alphabet, all 26 of them. That's right, okay? Does anyone know the alphabet song? I learned it when I was little. I bet you guys might know it too. If you do, sing it with me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've said my ABCs. Tell me what you think of me. At least that's the way I learned it. You might know a different ending. But the letters are all the same, okay? Do you notice anything different about one of those letters? Yeah? There's one that's a capital letter, because I didn't have a small q, no. All the rest are lowercase or small letters, and there's our big old capital Q. Anyway, I lost my place. Okay, anyway, the letters are all the same. And once you know those letters, you can begin to spell words and eventually read. And reading is a wonderful thing to know how to do. You can read books, and you can learn about places, and you can travel places in your imagination. It's really cool. So the alphabet is a really good thing to know, okay? Oh, that's right. It's a new month, I said, right? And it's December. So I thought we would take the letters that are here and spell instead of me already having them here. So what letters do you think we need to spell December? How about D? Let's start with the D. Put that right down there. And E. There we go. We got one of those. And C. And we're going to need another what? E, and I happen to have one over here. There it is. December. M. There we go. M, and B for burr. Oop! I better make sure I have room. Now we need another E, and I have one more over here. And now we need what? Sound. Where's our R? Do you see it? There it is. December. We did it. Look at that. See? You know letters. We can spell. How cool is that? So today is Wednesday, December 1st, and I made a new calendar for December. But first, we have 6 days left on November that we didn't put corn on. I know sometimes when we're close, I do it at the end of the month, but I don't know, I thought 6 days was too many. So, see, we have a whole feather that we haven't covered up yet. So, in November, we still had 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we better take care of our November calendar so we can get to the December calendar, right? All right, okay. And we get our glue on that. And then we've got some ears of corn left. I think I have just enough. I hope I have enough. I need 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there it is. He was hiding on me. I have 6. Okay. Let's get them on here. Are you ready? So, can you see? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, we finished with November, didn't we? Our turkey calendar is done. So now we need our December calendar. And for our December calendar, since Christmas is in this month, I made a Christmas tree. And I made circles, colored circles. They can be the lights on our tree. I like colored lights on my tree. How about you? All right, so if it's just the first day of December, up there at the very tippy top, we just need 1 circle, right? Right. And we'll cover that up. There we go. December 1st is done. Okay. I have some books that I want to tell you about today. That's right. 2 alphabet books and 2 Christmas books, okay? Chicka Chicka ABC was written by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault and illustrated by Louise Ellert. Louise has done lots of children's books that we have at the library. And in this story, which is a board book, so you'll find it in the children's room over on the white cart. And anyway, in this story, all the letters of the alphabet are going up a coconut tree. I don't know why, but they're going up a coconut tree. So you'll have to read that one and find out. And we also have another alphabet book. It is called Alphabet Rescue, written by Audrey Wood and illustrated by Bruce Wood. And in this book there are capital letters and lowercase letters and a fire truck. Now for our Christmas books, I've got a couple of those too. I've got another board book. It's a very nice board book. It's called Ive Seen Santa by David Bedford with illustrations by Tim Warnes. And in this book, Little Bear is trying to stay up to see Santa. I don't know. Will he do it? You'll have to read it and see. And our last book is brand new to the library. And it is called The Christmas Owl. And it is written by Ellen Kalish with help from Gideon Sterer. And it's got illustrations by Ramona Kalitsky. All right? And in this story, there's a little owl who ends up in the big giant Christmas tree at Rockefeller Center in New York. And it's based on a true story. So I'm going to take all those books back to the library, and in a few days they'll be ready for you to borrow. So for our art project today, I thought we would try to combine letters and Christmas. So we're going to make something that starts with the letter A that's kind of Christmassy. Can you guess? We're going to make an angel, right? Because angel starts with the letter A. And we're going to use 3 craft sticks like this, all right? And we're going to use a piece of cardstock, poster board, oak tag, whatever you want to call it, thicker paper. And we're also going to need some scissors and some glue and a marker and a pipe cleaner. And we can use some glitter and yarn, but that's optional. You don't have to have those things. If you don't, that's okay. So you need to take your 3 craft sticks and you need to glue them in the shape of the capital letter A. And I have one right here. See, it's similar to a B, only instead of the line at the bottom, it's in the middle. So you want to glue your craft sticks like that. I don't have enough hands, but wait a second. So you get something like that, okay? So glue those and then let those dry. Then you're going to take your piece of cardstock and you're going to put your hands down on it and you're going to have an adult help you trace around your hands. We've done that before, okay? And also draw a circle on your cardstock. I don't know, maybe about a circle about that big, okay? And have an adult help you cut all those out. Your hands are going to be the wings and the circle is going to be the head of our angel. Now you can draw a face on your angel and glue the head to the top, glue the circle or the head to the top of the A, all right, like I did up here. See, there's the top of the A. And then you want to take your handprints or the wings and glue those on the back sides of your 3 pipe cleaners, or excuse me, your 3 craft sticks that are making the letter A, all right? Then your angel needs a halo, and for that, I used a pipe cleaner. So have an adult help you. You don't need a piece this big. You can cut it and then bend it so that you get a circle like at the top, and then glue that on the back of the head, all right? Now, if you want to get a little extra fancy and do the optional parts, you can give your angel some hair. I happen to have some yellow yarn that we've used before, I think for our lion craft last year, all right? Cut a couple pieces of those and glue that on. And then I got fancy with glitter, which is fun, but now I have glitter everywhere. Anyway, I put the glitter on the angel wings. Now, I didn't color my angel, but if you want to color your angel, you can. That's fine, all right? So there we have A is for angel. All right, did you like that craft? I had fun making it. Like I said, it's a little messy. I'm going to have to vacuum. Anyway, that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You all take care. All right, keep warm. It's starting to get cold out there. It is December. All right, and you know what? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.